Hello guys and welcome to my channel again. So as we are seeing what is CSS and how we can apply CSS in our web pages. In the previous video we had seen a little about CSS and also about inline CSS. So in this video we will see internal CSS, how we can use CSS internally. So if you want to see any blogs regarding my videos, you can check my website. The link will be in the description. So let's just move to our text editor. So as I told you in the previous videos, there are three ways of using CSS. The first is inline, the second is internal, and the third is external. So we had seen what is inline CSS in the previous video. In this video we will see what is internal CSS and how we can use it. So as we had edited a paragraph in the previous videos using CSS. So let's suppose we want these two paragraphs to be styled exactly the same color, the same font size, and everything will be the same. So in inline CSS we have to write the same styling for 2 times. So this is a very difficult thing when the page is too long, or it is also very difficult when we want to edit our page. So for this purpose we use inline, we will use internal CSS. So for internal CSS we will use internal CSS in the head section. So we will first write the link for using the internal CSS. We will write the style tag like this, and in between this style tag we will use internal CSS. So everything we will use in the style tag will apply directly to this paragraph. So let me just remove this styling. Just see it. So this is our simple page. So what if you want to apply a styling to both of the paragraph? So for that we will only write T and then a couple of brackets like this. So if you want to change the color, white color and red, and font size 200%. So you can see that the same style apply to both of the paragraphs. So this is how we use internal CSS in HTML web pages. So if the next time if you want to edit the both paragraph, so we will just edit this thing. So let's suppose if you want the color to be green, so we will just write green in this place, and the both of the paragraph will get the same styling. So internal CSS is most used way of using CSS in the web pages. So let me just write an h1 tag. So write something in it. So you can see that the same styling is not applying on the h1 tag, because we are applying styling on our paragraph tag. So there is a little challenge for you. Pause the video and apply some styling on h1 tag, just the same way we had applied on the paragraph tag. So I hope you have done that. So for applying styling on h1 tag, we will write h1 over here and again the brackets. So if you want to change the color, so let's the color the red, and if you want to change the font size, let it be 300%. So you can see that this is how we apply internal CSS. So this is all for this video. If you want to see the blog recording this video, kindly check my website, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.